There really is nothing better than a smooth running drivetrain. And I have used a lot of products in the past, and quite a number of them pretty expensive, but didn't give me the results I was looking for. Especially during the time that I was commuting daily and through pretty harsh weather, snow, ice, sleet, and salted roads, which would get on the chain and make them rust like in a day. I was so fed up with needing to clean the chain like on a daily basis that I went to a motorcycle shop thinking, well, you know, if the standard bicycle chain loops won't do the job for me, maybe the people from the motorcycle industry have thought of something. And they did. And it's called Forte Red Chain Grease. I hope I pronounce it right, Forte. If I don't, my apologies. But anyway, I don't use a chain loop made for bicycles. I use chain loop for motorcycles.
Maar papa, ga je de filmpjes dan aan elkaar plakken?
Ja, lieverd, maar als je er doorheen gaat praten, dan horen de mensen dat, hè? Op de film.
Ja, maar dat kan je toch wegwezen?
Nee, want ik doe het met geluid, lieverd. Dat je het hoort, alle geluiden. Anders is de video muisstil.
Now, they have major advantages over more traditional bike loops. And one of them is cost. It's a grease, not an aerosol or something that comes out of a spray can. And as you can see, while I am applying the grease to this chain of a twin bike, it's a very long chain. You can see how much is still in the jar. And I've had this jar for years already. I've read somewhere in a post on a forum that you could do like 30,000 kilometers with or more on a single jar. And this jar, I thought it set me back like 25 euros. So that's cheap. That's way cheaper than the standard products known in the bicycle industry, in the bike industry. Another very, very, very big advantage of this is that motorcycles tend to go a lot faster than bicycles do, and I was looking for something that would actually stay on the chain, and this is that product. And it stays on the chain when I'm driving in very, very wet conditions, like heavy rain. So that's another great advantage. And because it stays on the chain, there's less corrosion or no corrosion at all. So that's also a good thing. And last thing, because it stays on the chain, it's less wear. So if you ask me, that little jar is the way to go. It's cheap, it does the job, it's durable, everything it needs to be for the best #1 bicycle chain loop. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel or giving a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next video.